Hey there, IT pros. Welcome to the Microsoft 365 Maturity Program course on adoption. In this course, we'll give you the information you need to increase adoption. Whether you're about to deploy Microsoft 365 or you already have, but maybe without the robust adoption strategy you now realize was probably necessary. No worries, we've been there and we've got you. My name is Samuel Martineau and I'm a solutions architect at ShareGate. I'm here to help you get the most of Microsoft 365. Don't get me wrong, Microsoft 365 is pretty great, but it can be complicated to figure out how to use it properly for both IT teams as well as end users, which is why poor adoption is such a common issue. Today, I'm going to walk you through the adoption lesson plan so you and your end users can start taking advantage of all of the tools and services that Microsoft 365 offers. First, we're going to discuss the importance of adoption. Next, we'll outline what good adoption looks like and some best practices. And third, we'll help you figure out what to do if you already deployed Microsoft 365 and are now dealing with low adoption. Lastly, we'll cover handy resources available to both IT teams and end users to help boost adoption. Ready to jump in? Let's go.